This is the biggest macro trade of all time. It's the best performing asset class in all history in the shortest period of time. Right? So you've got the gift. I don't want to hear anybody say we've been shut out, because everybody can put 10% in. Everybody. Right? If you live in the Philippines, or you live in Nigeria, or you live in New York City, you can put 10% of your wages in. This is an egalitarian, democratic, global, homogenous asset class. And it is the biggest trending asset class of all time. So, given that, it's pretty easy. It's just buy it and hold it.
Crypto emerges as the unparalleled macro trade of all time, boasting unparalleled performance in the annals of financial history. This assertion, made by macroeconomic expert Raoul Pal in a recent interview, underscores the potential for investing in crypto assets like Bitcoin to drastically alter one's financial fortunes. Raoul Pal's insights shed light on the transformative nature of cryptocurrencies and their capacity to redefine wealth accumulation. In his discourse, Raoul Pal extrapolates beyond the realm of finance, highlighting the profound societal implications of technological advancements. He emphasizes the ongoing revolution fueled by innovations such as cryptocurrency, AI, robotics, genetic engineering, and energy technologies. These advancements, he contends, herald a seismic shift in humanity's trajectory, poised to reshape not only the economy but also the very fabric of society. As viewers absorb Raoul Pal's message, they are encouraged to consider the profound significance of these disruptive technologies. The interview serves as a rallying call to seize the opportunities presented by crypto and other innovative fields, underscoring the imperative of staying abreast of these developments. Ultimately, Raoul's insights prompt reflection on the transformative potential of crypto and the imperative to navigate this dynamic landscape with strategic foresight. Before we continue with the rest of the video, do check out daily 5-minute crypto newsletter with all the latest crypto and Bitcoin news. It's a fantastic analysis of on-chain crypto data and breakdowns, and the best part is it's absolutely free. They'll cover expert predictions, breakdowns of on-chain crypto data, and any breaking news you need to know, all in a nutshell. Click the first link in the description and enter your email to join over 50,000 others in becoming a better crypto investor right now.
So how I'm thinking this through is, we talked about this is the biggest macro trade of all time. We're still in the middle of it. So great, focus. Yes, you should be involved in technology. You should be investing, if even just to learn, right? Because the biggest change to mankind and society is underway. And crypto is just a part of it. That's just like the transaction, storage, value layer of the internet. That's just a part of the whole story. The bigger things are AI, robotics, genetic science, well, what that all unlocks, and energy. And this formula that I talk about is the GDP formula. GDP formula is basically population growth plus productivity growth plus debt growth. Right? We stopped and blew up all debt growth in 2008. All debt growth now is just servicing of old debts. So really, the global economy, and particularly the developed world, has slowed down trend rate of GDP growth. Why? Because we've got an old, slow-growing population, and in many countries now shrinking. Italy, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, I mean, they're all starting to shrink now. Okay, so you've got lower population growth supporting this large debt. So there's not enough money to pay for the debt, which is why the central banks print stuff. But over time, you need to change that equation. Because if not, we're not going to blow up, because for us to blow up, which is what everybody fears, the value of collateral has to go down a lot, which is what happened in 2008. But we've learned this new trick. Debase the currency and optically the collateral goes up, right? You cannot go bust in that environment. So, okay, how the hell do we get out of this quagmire? Slow growth, aging population. The answer is, well, firstly, population growth. But nobody wants to open immigration because wages haven't gone up in real terms. So the more immigrants, the less money there is to share in the economic pie. So people are like, no, we don't want that. So then comes AI. AI is infinite human knowledge, and it's going to get cheaper and cheaper and cheaper until it's water. So you scale knowledge at zero cost, which is the human brain, and above that, because that's where we're going. And then you've got the robots, which scales physical humans. So now we have infinite humans at an exponentially decreasing cost. Next, productivity. Productivity is basically the output per kilojoule of energy. If I look at UK electricity prices of the last 50 years, they're pretty stable. Sure, they're cyclical, but they're pretty stable. So with EV technologies, geothermal, wind, all of the stuff that we're working on, we know that they don't scale enough yet, storage problems, other stuff, but we know they're going exponentially lower in price, and they're rising in output. And then we've got nuclear, what we can do with nuclear technology. So we are going to halve, and maybe halve again, the cost of electricity in the next 10, 15 years. What is that going to do? Well, think of productivity. If technology goes down half, productivity's doubled. If it goes down half again, productivity's tripled. So you're going to triple productivity while introducing infinite population. Right, so I get to a problem that I get to 2030. My job has always been to live in the future, and I can't see what this is. This to me is an economic singularity, where maybe all understanding of economies and economics completely breaks down. I may not be right. It may not be 2030, maybe 2035, might be 2020. I don't care. The point being is we are fast approaching this point. Also, we've got to understand that as AGI comes, and honestly, I think OpenAI have got AGI. I think they are using it to build their business and their models and their everything, which is why 500 people can out-iterate everybody on Earth. When everybody gets this, the speed of disruption is going to be like the meme coin cycle or the ICO cycle. What business lasts? Who gets disrupted by whom? How long do these disruptive cycles last? They could be hours, they could be days, they could be months, maybe a few years. We just don't know. We just don't know even what VC investing means in that environment. Do companies stay around long enough before they get disrupted? Or should they be tokenized so you can put money in and take money out on the time horizon that these businesses last? Because VC ain't going to work. What does it mean once we've got AGI? What does it mean for markets? Once we've got something that can pretty much process all of the data and all the understanding of markets and make investment decisions. What, is one person going to figure this out and become the richest person that ever lived? And people aren't thinking this stuff through. They keep talking about, well, it's going to replace jobs. They're missing the bigger picture. This is beyond our understanding of anything that we do. It's wildly exciting and terrifying. So what I'm suggesting is you have 6 years to make as much money as you can, because you have no understanding what the world is going to look like. And luckily, we've been given the gift of an opportunity, which is we can invest in technology, more so we can invest in crypto. But beyond that, what is an asset management business? What is this conversation? I've already developing an AI that's my avatar that can speak. Well, in 3 years, I'm just going to put my avatar speaking to yours. I won't even be here. It's also because money is actually hard to come by. And it's periodic. There's tons of money, then there's no money. As everyone's just learned in 2022, 2023, is you could have the best business on earth and beg people and you cannot get money. So I think people are scarred. And so they keep this treasury as opposed to reinvesting it because people are so scared of the capital cycle. But this is to my point. The capital cycles are ferocious in crypto. They're quick. You can make a lot of capital. Then there's no capital. Then there's capital again. This is real-time VC. So businesses fail, businesses grow, businesses stall out. It's all there in real time, played out in the drama of Twitter. And that's what it is. And people have to get used to that. And I think the world is going to look more like that, not less like that. And all you have to do in crypto is one thing: adoption. People have to adopt your technology, whether it's the underlying protocol layer or it's the application. That's all it is. You have one job, is to do that. And, a lot of people try to make complexity out of this space. If you are a blockchain, you have one job. Your one job is to sell block space. You're a block space salesman, and that's what you do. You're no different than a cloud compute person. We dress it up differently, but we sell block space. And we build applications on the block space. That's it.
Raoul Pal offers his expert insights on the transformative impact of crypto and other technologies, emphasizing crypto as the investment opportunity of a lifetime. He urges seizing the chance to invest in crypto assets like Bitcoin, foreseeing their profound influence on the future of finance and technology. Pal also underscores the significant role that artificial general intelligence could play in shaping future markets, presenting an avenue for individuals to attain substantial wealth through technology. Despite rapid changes and uncertainties, he advocates seizing opportunities and highlights the transformative potential of blockchain beyond cryptocurrency. Pal envisions a future with digitalized assets and streamlined processes that enhance transparency and efficiency in the financial world. For more Daily Dose Crypto news, check out these 2 awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.